I'd say one of the most important core skills as a software developer is analytical thinking. Being able to take big problems that you necessarily don't understand yourself, be able to break them down into manageable problems that either other people can help you solve or maybe you yourself can work through. I think involved with that as well is a lot of communication skills, being able to know the right people to talk to be able to get your ideas across clearly, so that everyone's on the same page and then hopefully everyone knows what problem you're actually trying to solve. First, to explain to someone what a software developer does, I'd say it's all about working with people, trying to understand their ideas, what it is they're really trying to make, what value they're trying to deliver to people in general, and then helping them realise how we can deliver that through software. I got into software development through quite a traditional route, so I did computer science at college, although it wasn't the first subject I picked. I actually picked and dropped history. And then from there, I actually did a year out and did a more practical kind of IT-based apprenticeship, but I'd already got into university at that point. So then I went on to do my computer science degree, 3 years there, and then went straight into employment. So one project I was proud to be involved in was replatforming, or basically rebuilding our consumer mobile website using a new framework. So I came into that pretty close to the start of it, and so it was all new for everyone involved, like senior all the way down to junior. So it gave me a chance to really get involved, try and figure out some of the difficult problems we were having and how we might solve them, and then feeding that back to the team. And then it was obviously really satisfying when that eventually got delivered to customers and we could start actually seeing the improvements from actually carrying out that work. The best advice I would give to someone who wants to get into software development, I guess you don't have to have all the answers all the time, and it's more about how you actually go about finding the answers for yourself. So that might be the internet, books, or other people, or just trial and error a little bit sometimes. And then just remember that journey of how you got from not knowing to knowing, and basically just keep doing that. So thirst for knowledge, wanting to work things out, and just enjoying that whole process. I'd say being a software developer is the best job in tech to have, because you're basically building things that are going to be used by potentially millions of people that are possibly going to have some lasting effect. And it's just kind of cool thinking that you're actually having an effect on people's lives.